Well, hello, hello, hello. Much love to you all. May God bless you all. Hit that like button. Share this out if you have a chance to share it out. We got many biblical signs and things going on. First, let's read Luke 21, verse 25. And there shall be signs in the sun and in the moon and in the stars, and upon the earth distress of nations with perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring, men's hearts failing them for fear and for looking after those things which are coming on the earth, for the powers of heaven shall be shaken. Guys, there is many signs, and all the signs we've been getting. I know it sounds like a broken record, me saying this, but sometimes you never know if a new person will come amongst and watch this and have never heard things like this related in the Bible. So that's why we need to share this out and hit the like button so that people that may be oblivious to this, it may open their eyes and hearts and minds. We are seeing biblical signs. I have a few things I want to share. I shared last night Bill Gates' idea, the WEF plan, and floods worldwide. And then also Forsaking Christ, the sermon yesterday. There's so much going on. So let's just look. This severe black blizzard in Moscow, the snowfall hits 35% of the monthly average just overnight. That's a lot of snow. I mean, guys, that's a huge amount. Moscow has already witnessed 35% of its monthly precipitation average. They've already reached this, almost what they're used to in a month just overnight. And this isn't all that's happening over there. There's also like hurricane force winds from the sea. I mean, there is a lot, not just the snow, but there's also the sea is raging. I mean, they're saying visibility has dropped to about 328 feet, creating hazardous conditions for residents and commuters. I mean, we just see many videos here. I don't know if this link will play. Boy, that's a powerful truck. Be pulling a semi. You can just tell. There's many other videos on here. It says the sudden increase snowfall has led to significant traffic disruptions throughout Moscow. Snowbanks up to 6.3 inches in a short time, causing widespread traffic jams. They've been going out and clearing the streets out. It just, I know people be like, "Hey, this is normal," but I mean, we're talking the weather events as of late. I mean, we're just talking 35% of what they're used to in a month's time, just overnight, just overnight. And this huge storm that has been continuing to hit by the Black Sea over here, which is where we get more of this. We talked about some of this last night. I have some more updates on this. This powerful storm, it ravages the Black Sea region with hurricane force winds, severe storm surge, flooding, and snowstorms. I mean, you got multiple different storms happening in this location. I mean, the sea in itself, the video that we're getting from the sea, I mean, just look at this.
Песочница уже не в бассейне. Все.
I'm about to say, that was a really weird reaction.
До свидания.
Those are huge waves. When he went back there, you could see the wave, man. That is just huge waves. Huge. And then you have that happening there, but then you have this happening here. That's intense. I I don't care what anybody says. I mean, that's intense, guys. The wind coming from that. Just look at those waves. You can't say the sea is not like I mean, this is just overnight. This is just overnight, guys. Just overnight. Oh man. It'd be really scary to be on a boat with this stuff happening. This is southern Ukraine and southern Russia. Man, that's crazy. Now look, Turkey. This storm in Russia is affecting Turkey. It's came all the way here to Turkey and other parts. Many people are getting affected by this storm as it's the days of Noah. You know, I don't care how anyone looks at it. I mean, look, at Luke 21 I read, this was on November 22nd. Someone from Australia took this. How many green meteorites, especially on this channel, have I had videos to show us about? Green meteorites flying through the sky. Let's play that video again. This has been a world phenomenon that we've been capturing. I mean, I probably have over 30 videos of different green meteorites hitting over the skies. And it's just, it continues, guys. Then we see this powerful explosion at another volcano, as volcanoes are just worldwide. They are going wild right now. I mean, they're just going crazy. The ash has been shooting up to 3,281 feet, up to 3,796 feet at some points in time. Um, right here is the epicenter of where it's happening. This is another volcanic eruption, as there's also been um, this mud volcano yesterday. It erupts for the third time in Taiwan. Um, I've seen some video also of some volcanoes in Hawaii that are starting to do more. I mean, also look at this amid unseasonal severe thunderstorms. 24 lives were taken from lightning strikes in India. You know, people don't realize this is kind of something that happens. I mean, Florida, for instance, is one of the highest states in America that people get killed by lightning, like the most. Um, but it's still not something you hear of like every day, especially like 24 lives in one storm just from lightning strikes. I mean, crazy.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sharma, for joining us on the broadcast. Can you tell us what the weather prediction for Gujarat now is? Is the worst behind us?
Yes, Shreya, worst is behind us. It's a very freak incident which has occurred. I'm sure you have been reporting weather from all over. Did you ever hear earlier having a hailstorm in Gujarat or like this or lightning? Hardly. No, it doesn't happen. It is supposed to be a fair weather state after the monsoon withdraw. Nothing happens till almost April or thick of pre-monsoon season, unless some severe storm or so strays along the coast of Gujarat, and that's how which happens. Yes, nowadays, but there's no storm, nothing. But yes, still there was a massive.
I'll keep it right there. We're just going to stop right there. I mean, he told you this is not normal. The president of this SkyMet weather, he's telling you it's not normal. And this is one of the weather people over there. He's trying to enlighten people. Look, this doesn't normally happen this time of the year over here. Normally doesn't. So, I mean, it's time to, as I say it always, Jesus is the only way to the Father. There's no other way. He lived a perfect 33 years. He was crucified for the sins of the world, and he resurrected 3 days later and sits at the right hand of the Father. There is no other way to the Father in heaven. Wednesday, we will be doing John chapter 20 Bible study at 7 p.m. Eastern. Really key to come into fellowship where two or more are gathered. We got to remember that. Also, the book of Hebrews says, do not forsake the gathering as those days approach. Also, Thursday will be the 15th annual first time ever Bible trivia. We're going to have some fun with this. I'll be having many other things releasing. I'll be trying to put some things together. I will be out next Monday and Tuesday. I will not be making any videos on the channel no matter what happens. The Lord wants me to step away for a couple days, and I need it. You know, from September, the last week of September through October, I street preached 5 times, and I preach every Sunday. So I really need a couple day break that I'm going to take with the family, as right now we're having winter weather, but come by next Monday, we're supposed to be back at seasonably or unseasonable weather. It's supposed to be in the 50s, and that's not normal for this time of the year. So we're going to take advantage of that and be outside. Right now, it's kind of like 30 degrees, kind of chilly, windy. Been raining, trying to spit snow when it can. Parts of Indiana had got snow. We didn't really get any. So, anyways, guys, thank you. And please hit the like button. And remember, we fight from victory and not from defeat. And that is thanks to the blood of Jesus Christ. May God bless you. If you like videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe. Much love to you all, and may God bless you.